Hey friends, today I'll be sharing multiple 5-minute craft ideas for your Christmas party with easily available items at home. We will be making Christmas tree, chocolate Santa, reindeer and Santa headband. We all eat pistachios in winter and throw their shells, so why not reuse them? Today we will make beautiful Christmas tree with those pistachio shells. Take a thin cardboard and roll it to form a cone. Cut the excess so that it can stand flat on a surface. Cover the base with a round cardboard. Now, take cardboard piece and roll it to form the trunk of the tree. Cover it with brown paper and attach it to the base of the tree. Now, we will start to paste the pistachio shells on the tree using a glue gun. Cover the entire cone with the shells. If you wish, you can even color it in green color. Now, take a ribbon bow and paste it on the tree and a star on the top. Follow the link in the description to learn making bow and star. Paste the tree on a cardboard base. Paste some thermocol balls to give the effect of snow. Our tree is now ready. Now we will make super cute Ferrero Rocher Santa to give to your loved ones. Take a red paper and cut a circle from it. Cut into 4 equal pieces as shown in the video. Fold each piece along the edge to make a cone. Similarly, make more cones. Your Santa caps are now ready. Decorate the cap with cotton strips and cotton balls. Take a black color paper and draw the shape of boots on it and cut it out. Now, start to arrange all these pieces. First, paste the boots on the brown cover of the chocolate, then paste the chocolate on it, followed by the cap. Prepare as many Santa as you want and our super cute Santa is ready. Now we will make reindeer headband. Take a brown sheet and wrap it around your head to measure the circumference of your head. Typically comes around 22 inches. Cut out a 2-inch wide strip from the paper. Paste the 2 edges to form a band. Now draw the reindeer horns and cut 2 pieces for the same. Attach a stick to these horns so that they can stand straight. Paste them on the band. Then cut a circle from the red paper to form the nose of reindeer. Cut white and black paper to form the eyes. And our reindeer headband is now ready. Lastly, we will make a Santa headband. Take a white strip 2-inch wide in length according to the size of head. Standard size is 22 inches. Paste the 2 edges to form a band. Draw Santa cap on red paper. Paste some cotton on the tip of the cap. Paste the cap on the headband. Now, paste mustaches, nose and goggles of the Santa. Our super cool Santa headband is ready. Do comment which one did you like the most. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you find the video useful.